Things are getting intense for Bitcoin as we are holding this key support heading into a weekend. And depending on what happens this weekend, could really determine whether or not this key area of support is going to hold. And as you can see, I am building a long trade at this area, looking for a move to the upside. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell for notifications, because I'm going to be telling you exactly how I'm trading this, what I'm looking for, and we are bringing you the juiciest Bitcoin updates here on YouTube. As we look at the daily time frame, we could be forming a very rare pattern known as the boring and confused Bitcoin pattern. People are bored, people are bearish, people are not paying attention, but what we need to be paying attention to right now is the fact that Bitcoin is coming down to a very key support. We're printing some very rare bullish signals on market Cipher B, and we could see this boring and confused pattern really turn around. Because here is the fact of the matter. Bitcoin has been in a relentless uptrend since November 2022, when we bottomed out around $15,500. And since that time, we have not changed market structure bearish on the high time frames like the weekly. And as we look at this chart, our last major push to the upside left behind a very key support around that very high 40s, low 50s area. We have our weekly order block right here at around $50,000. We have the Fibonacci golden pocket retracement from the last major swing low to the current swing high, and we have this major support resistance flip going back to January, just around the time that the Bitcoin ETF got launched. When we look at the weekly time frame, we are seeing two bullish things. The first bullish thing is the fact that the money flow is ticking back to the upside. The second bullish thing is that we are printing a momentum wave below that zero line on the weekly. Now, when you see a momentum wave below the zero line on the weekly, that is a very bullish signal, a very rare bullish signal. Even in the heat of the the bear market, every time we got a confirmed wave below that zero line, it gave us a significant retrace. And so we need to be paying attention as we come down to this area, and we're seeing the weekly start to form a bullish wave below that zero line. When we go to the daily time frame, what are we seeing on market Cipher B as we come down to this area? We are seeing a pattern known as the uneven butt cheek pattern. We have a very big left momentum wave and a very skinny right momentum wave. In fact, if we take the cheeks and hyperimpose them over the waves, you will see a perfect lineup. Wow, the resemblance is striking. Now, this is known medically as a bullish divergence. And when you see a bullish divergence on the daily time frame, this very much so marks at least a significant bottom where we can look for a retrace. Now, you might be saying, Jason, we haven't actually tapped into the $50,000 level. We could still come lower. And to that, I say, yes, I agree. And if you look at the long trade I'm in, I'm actually not looking to reject my long idea unless we start to lose this green box. In fact, I'll be looking to build a position in this area. And even if we come down a little bit lower right now, we need to be thinking to ourselves that the daily momentum waves could be giving us now another drive of divergence, giving us the coveted pig nipple market Cipher B pattern, where again, if we take these pig nipples and we hyperimpose them onto the chart, we can see we will have three drives of pig nipples. And when you see the pig nipple pattern here, and let's change the opacity a little bit so we can see the striking resemblance here. When you have a multiple divergence on like a 20-minute time frame, a 30-minute time frame, a 1-hour time frame, it gives us a big move to the upside. So why would we expect less than a large move to the upside if we're seeing the pig nipple pattern on the daily time frame? Now, this is a great opportunity, and in my opinion, it's a great place to be looking for a trade, because we have the three things that we need to get into a successful trade. Now remember, a successful trade does not equal a winning trade. A successful trade has three things. It has a clearly defined entry, it has a clearly defined stop loss, and it has a clearly defined target. If you take trades with these three things over the long term using good risk management, even if you're the worst trader in the world, you're not going to blow your account. If you get kind of good at this, you will be profitable over time. And so what we can say is this is the zone where we're really looking for support. And if we hold support, chances are we will go for those highs again, because when you have bullish divs on the daily like this, when you're printing green dots below the zero line on the weekly, that move is nothing to take lightly. And we also know we have a lot of short liquidity still above this area, which gives us a really nice 5-to-1 risk reward ratio that I'm currently looking for on Bitcoin. Now, I have to give a major shout out to the Casper Crew VIP Discord, because we're still holding our short trades that we have been in now for quite some time, set up, given in advance in the Casper Crew VIP Discord. And by the way, I'm currently trading on BLOFIN, which has a 15% cash back deposit bonus reward, up to $7,500 future bonus, plus a chance to win all these juicy prizes. Links in the description. And I am also trading on MEXC. MEXC right now has the best deal on fees where you can scalp very low time frames, paying a 0.01% market fee so that you can have trades with very little fees, plus trade 1,500 altcoins with 0% spot fees on MEXC. And these are the two exchanges I'm trading on. Also, guys, if you want to join the community, Casper Crew VIP Discord, where every single day we do multiple live streams with multiple instructors, giving our setups, giving our trading plans. We have an entire beginner's course in the Discord. We have something called the Beginner's Journey. It's a great Discord, the best trading community in the world. You can go to jasoncaspertrading.com to join the community. So the way I am trading this is right now, I fully am aware that we could continue to the downside, but if we're going to get a bounce, it's going to be from this area. So I am looking for a long trade, yet I'm holding my short trades after securing profits already realized in the event that we actually just get a dead cat bounce and continue in this downtrend. But this is an area where I am paying close attention because I understand that this is such a key level for the past few months, going all the way back to February 2024. And if we're going to get a significant bounce, if we're going to test these highs again within the next few months, this is probably a really good place to look for that bounce. And because we have a clearly defined entry target and stop loss, we understand the risk going into it, and we understand that if we're wrong on this idea, it's part of the plan, and then we can come back to the drawing board. But that's how trading works. You have to weigh the bullish factors against the bearish factors with good risk management, looking for those key levels with the high probability setups, and those are the trades that you want to aim for. Guys, that is it for today's video. May God bless everybody in the name of Jesus, Yeshua, the Messiah. Even if you are not religious, I still pray you and your family are super blessed, and I'll see everybody in the next video. Peace!